Hi beautiful people, welcome back once again to Dacty for You's channel. To my old and new subscribers, I say God bless you so much for coming, and I thank you so much. Please, if you are here and you haven't subscribed to this channel, please don't forget to do so, and please make sure that you share this with your family and friends, and they are going to thank you forever. Thank you so much. So today I'm going to share with you another recipe. Guys, this recipe is my mom's recipe. I'm going to share with you guys how my mom makes her delicious and yummiest shito, her special shito. She calls it her special shito. And black hot sauce, black pepper sauce, whichever way you call it. It's Ghanaian shito. In Ghana we call it shito. It's very simple to make. My mom makes this recipe so simple, and guys, you are going to love it. Even if you don't know how to cook, you can follow the steps and then your shito will come out so great. If you want to know how my mom makes this amazing recipe, this amazing hot sauce, please stay with me in the kitchen and let's do this. So these are the ingredients that I'll be using for this recipe. We have onions, so I have here 6 medium-sized onions that I have cut. I have 3 red onions and 3 white onions. I have here celery, which is optional. My mom don't usually add celery to hers, but I'm adding it to mine. Ginger, 4 cloves of garlic, 1 cup of fish powder, Maggi stock cube, half tablespoon of all-purpose seasoning, salt to taste, half fenugreek seed. It's also optional, but I love it in mine. My mom don't add it to hers. 1 tablespoon of rosemary, the dried ones, 1 tablespoon of anise, red bell pepper, green bell pepper. My mom usually use only green bell pepper. Shrimp powder, dried pepper powder. So if you want this recipe to be very spicy, you can even add ghost pepper to it, and it will be very spicy. So the amount of pepper you use depends on how spicy you want your food. And my oil, so I'm using this olive oil. You can use any oil of your choice. I have in the oil now and it's heated. So what I'm going to do right now is that I'm going to add in all the fresh vegetables to the oil and fry it for about 15 minutes. That is what my mom always does. She says that when you do it this way, it makes it very easy to blend, and also it helps your shito to cook fast, because it's like you have pre-cooked all the vegetables before you are using it. So everything in order. We're using a lot of oil. So we are deep frying all these vegetables. So it needs a lot of oil. But guys, if you are using fresh pepper, you add it to it at this time. If you are not using powdered pepper, you are using fresh pepper, this is the time to add it. You add it, then you fry it all together before you blend. I'm going to take them out of the oil, and then we put them in the blender, and then we blend it together with all the dried ingredients. But guys, I'm going to add in all the dried spices to it. So now in the same oil, we're going to fry the sauce. So we fry the sauce in the same oil. My mom says when you do it this way, it doesn't take long for your sauce to be ready. So now you're going to fry it, but remember to stir it frequently to prevent it from burning. So guys, as I said, you need to keep on stirring. So at this time, I'm just going to cover it with this to prevent, to reduce the splatter. So you are doing it on a medium heat. So this is how it's looking after 25 minutes. As I said, you need to keep on stirring. So guys, you see, I told you that if you do it this way, it reduces the splatter. This thing has not been splattered. It reduces the amount of splatter. That is what my mom said, and it's true. Guys, just look at the splatter. You see the splatter? It's clean. So you just go ahead and then cover it. So guys, it's been 30 minutes now, and at this time I'm going to add in the pepper. My mom will always add in pepper powder. At this time, if she's using pepper powder, she add it to it first before she add the other ingredients. So I'm going to add in my pepper powder. Dati loves it. She calls it black stew. Dati calls this black stew. So guys, it's been 5 minutes since we added in the pepper powder. So at this time, I'm going to go ahead and then add in our shrimp powder and the fish powder to it. So there go in our shrimp powder and then the fish powder. Guys, when you add this in, you need to stir it frequently. This is the all-pepper spice. Then we add in our stock cube, shrimp stock cube to it. So at this time, you're going to stir it. You need to stir it. So at this time, you're going to taste for salt. You want to taste for salt first before you add in any salt, because you know the stock cube has salt in it, and the all-pepper spice mix also have some salt in it. So at this time, you're going to taste for salt, and then this time you want to stir it very frequently than ever, because after you add in the fish powder and the shrimp powder, it tends to burn really fast. So you need to stir it very frequently. We're going to let it be on fire for about 15 to 20 minutes, and our sauce is all done. So this is how I make my Shito recipe. Guys, this is my mom's recipe, and guys, if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and leave me a comment. And please don't forget to share this amazing recipe with your family and friends. Guys, you can eat this with kenke, banku, gari, rice, yam, plantains, anything. Guys, you can. My mother will usually, after this, then she will usually put it on the countertop overnight for it to cool down. Guys, if you fry this very well and it cools down very well, you can even put it in an airtight container and be on your shelves for months without going bad. Thank you guys so much for watching. God bless you, and until we meet again, please stay safe and stay out of trouble. I love you guys. Bye bye.